Hey team, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're talking about an absolutely massive win on RATS. We called this dump, and the market delivered more than a TP4 again. We've already seen a minus 20% retracement, which is exactly what happens when you know where the key levels are on your charts. Experience matters. If you read my yesterday's post about the open drive and key liquidity zone, you were prepared for this move. Shorters are in big profits right now, so congratulations to the team who took this. Now, looking forward, I see the next target for a strong bullish bounce being the lower golden pocket zone between 0.00002100 and 0.00002150. This is where we expect major buyer reaction. Right now, there is a strong sell rejection, so avoid any FOMO move. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. To join our VIP group, just click the bot link in the description. Peace out.